Hello guys, good evening. Hiram here. We are going to start the course 3 of Google Cloud Computing Foundations. And course 3, we are going to start with the lab number 1, which is multiple VPC networks. So start lab. Wait for the provisioning of lab resources. Open the Google Cloud Console in incognito. Copy the password. It's here. Enter. Understand. Again, then hop on to task 1. Here we have to create a VPC network. So here, go and search VPC network. Create a VPC network. Name, management net. Make sure you don't copy the full stop. Okay, copy this, paste it here in the name. So, copy the subnet name, paste it here on the subnet name. Region. So my region is US East 4. It may not be the same for others. It will be different. So I will select the US East 4 region here and you all do it accordingly. US East 4. Copy the IPv range. Yes, it here. Make sure this is IPv4 and done. Hit create. Wait for it to get created. It's done. Hit and check my progress. Assessment complete. Now, we have to create a private network using the cloud shell command line. So copy this. Here, create cloud shell. Continue. Paste the command here and then authorize this and wait for it to get executed. It's done. Copy the next command, paste it here, and wait for it. So open the next command, paste it in, and wait. Yeah, it's done. You can check my progress. Assessment complete. So this is to list the all VPC networks available. If we don't do this, it's fine. Come down here. Now we have to create a firewall rule for this. Now go in VPC network, firewall, click on, let me hide this and create firewall rule. Minimize this. Name as shown here, copy this. Paste it here. Network is management net. Select management net. Targets all instances in the network. Source filters IP4 ranges. It's here. Copy the ranges. Paste it here. And checkbox this TCP another. The values are given here and we have to enter it. Copy this value. Make sure you don't copy the semicolon. Paste it here. My bad. Didn't get copied, I guess. Copy this. Paste it here. Other protocol type is ICMP. So type ICMP. Yeah. And create. Successfully created firewall rule. Click on check my progress. Assessment complete. Run the following command in the cloud shell to create the firewall rules in the command line. Paste it here. Enter. Click on check my progress. Assessment complete. This is again to list all the firewall rules. You can skip this. Now we have to create a VM instance. So for that, go to Compute Engine, VM instance, and create instance. Copy the name. Paste it here. Yeah, for me, the region is US East 4. I repeat, it may be different for you all, so do it accordingly. I'll select US East 4 here. Zone is US East 4A. I'll select US East 4A. Yeah. Series is E2 and machine type is E2 micro. E2 is default selected. Machine type is E2 micro selected. Yes. Go to advanced options. Networking. Come down here. Default. And network should be management net. So click on management net. It will automatically subnetwork get selected. And make sure the IP is IPv4. Hit done. And create. So these are to list all the VM instances. We can skip this. Come down here. You have to ping the external IP addresses. So for me, to text connectivity, it's mynet Europe West 4 VM. Yours may be different, so do it accordingly. So I'll go here. Mynet Europe West 4 VM. SSH drop down arrow. Given G cloud command. Run in cloud shell. Enter. press Y, enter, press enter 2 times here. Yeah, it's done. Coming down, copy this command. And for me, here it is management net US East 4 VM. Yours may be different, so do it do it accordingly. Copy this one. Save this in the notepad. Go here. Management net US 4 VM. External IP. Copy this external IP. Come here. Edit this here. Make sure the spaces are proper. Paste this. Copy this. And run it in the cloud shell. It's done. Come here. Copy this one. Now it's private US East 4 VM. External IP. Come here. The private is not visible here. Just refresh the page once. Yeah, now the private is visible, right? Don't worry, the cloud shell will resume where you stop. No need to panic. Yeah. Copy this. Paste it here. External IP here. Copy this. Paste it here. And in this in cloud shell. Now, copy this one command. Paste it here. Notepad. Now it's Minet Europe West 4 VM internal IP. Go here. Internal IP. Copy this internal IP. Edit this here. Again, run it in this cloud shell. It's done. Yeah. These are to test the pings. Here it is written. It should not work as 100% packet loss. If we don't do this, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Which instance should be ping from navigation one? Its answer is here. No. We are able to ping the internal IP address of minor Europe West 4 VM because it's in the same VPN area, my US East 4. Region 1 is US East 4 here. Region 2 is Europe West 4. So it's minor region 2. So, yep. Coming down, we have to create a VM instance here. So again, compute engine, VM instance, create instance. Name is VM appliance. Copy this. Paste it here. Paste it here. I was getting a glitch actually. Copy this one. No need to copy. Select the region, US East 4. US East 4. Zone is US East 4A. Select the US East 4A. Series is E2. Machine type is E2 standard 4. This is E2. Standard E2. Standard here. E2 standard 4. Yeah. Go to advanced options. networking, network interfaces to this private net. Click on default here. Is private net. Select subnetwork will be automatically selected here. Click on add internet network interface here. This time it's management net. So select management net. Again, add a network interface and my network. This time it's my network. So select my network. Yeah, create it. Yeah, it's done. Click on check my progress here. Assessment complete. This is a list of networking services. No need to test this. Yeah, can handle lab. Submit this. Submit. Back here. Yeah, it's done. Thank you.